Good morning, everybody. We're back for another build today. We're going to be building a knife sheath. We're actually, this video and the next video are both going to be knife sheath videos. But today, this knife sheath is this bad boy right here. Let me see if I can get that in focus on my camera. Can you see all of that, the different colors? And I wonder if I think there might be some glow-in-the-dark elements here. But look at that. I love that. It's a little small for my hand. But then again, I have gigantic hands. But this thing is sharp. It's got a little spur right here at the end. Which I think this knife is actually called the Spur. So that's what we're going to be doing. It's going to be a kind of a basic knife sheath, and the other one's going to be kind of a basic knife sheath as well. A little bit different. There's going to be a little bit of tooling on the sheath for this and the next one. But yeah, as far as a basic knife sheath, we're just going to do kind of your basic fold over, and I'll be showing how I do that. I do use paper, and I draw it out, and you'll see that in the time lapse. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm excited to get this done. This is going to be, actually I think this one is sold already. The next video for the next knife is going to be up at cascadiacutlery.com for sale. So if you'd like to get your hands on it, and that one's pretty amazing. It's way bigger than this thing ever thought about being. So yeah, you might really like that knife, and if you'd like to own it, you can visit cascadiacutlery.com and pick it up there. Nolan's a good dude, and he will always shoot you a fair price, and he sharpens blades too, by the way. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started.